Hello my friends, today I'm here with Leonie, our model for today, and we're going to be testing the 35mm f1.4, and it's a special time of the year because, as you can see in the background, the cherry trees are blooming, and this is going to be a wonderful time to take some awesome portraits. Stay tuned to see the results. Okay, let's get started. We have this nice tree from below here, and we have this nice wall on that side. And what we're trying to do is we're going to position Leonie over here, and we're going to take the tree in the background. Let's see how this will turn out. So I'm going to take the photos at 1.4 all the time, because this allows us to get the most depth of field available. And oh boy, this is going to look crazy. Awesome. This is looking beautiful. Let's take some of the horizontal portraits. So with the 35mm lens, you can get really nice environmental portraits, because you can go really close to your subject and you can still achieve a nice background. Beautiful. Trying to take a full body portrait as well. This is easily to do with a 35mm lens, but it's looking absolutely gorgeous. Cool, I think we've got a pretty good results here. Now we can move up there to see what we can see from that perspective. Yeah, that looks cool. Beautiful. You got the sun in the back. Awesome. Full body. Oh yeah, put your hand again to your hair like that. Crazy. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's go a bit more closer. I love these flowers. I love your dress. It's just perfect. All right, let's do some movement pictures with our model. Let's go. Okay. We need to fix you on one spot, because when you walk, we're ruining the composition. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And then you can twist in front of me. Come closer a little bit. Let's give that camera a break, because I can only take 30 pictures in a row. All right, and now do your thing, and 3, 2, 1. And come a bit closer again, just like that. Beautiful. Awesome. Okay, let's give that a little break again. And now it's time to switch lenses. I know this is a 35 1.4 video, but honestly, we're going to try the 55mm 1.8 Zeiss as well. Let's see what we can do today with this lens. And do your thing. And twist for me. And 1 second, we're at 30 again. Okay, you know what's missing? I would love to have you like a branch of a tree with the flowers and just looking through this, you know? But I think we need to rip off a little bit of the tree for this. I feel really guilty, but you know, it's all for the picture. Let me just wait here. I'll organize that. You know, you can look right through this. Okay, now we have the branch. Yeah, let's figure out how to do this. Can you pull it? Let me try to show you. Maybe something like this. Just look through this. So this is somehow the frame. So because it's so hard for the camera to focus, we need to go for manual. Didn't do this in a long time. Always focus on the eyes. This is very important. Okay, I'm trying to hide your hand, so maybe we can you can hold it somewhere like this, so the hand is not in the picture. You know, this reminds me of the TikTok videos. Maybe we'll try something like you have your face against it or something. I don't know. Yeah, but don't put your head to your side, but put the flowers next to it, you know. Oh yeah, that looks way better. Do you have anything else you can imagine for a picture?
Maybe we can use the stairs.
Alright, let's try. One more tip, guys. If you have flowers nearby and you're doing this flowery shoot or bloomish shoot, then get yourself some hairpins and, you know, use the flowers as an accessoire. Now we're trying to be a bit more further away with this nice stairs here in the background. And let's see what we can do here. Awesome. So again, this is the 55mm f1.8. Beautiful, beautiful lens. It can totally blur the background. Alright, can you put your hair a bit more out of your face? It's looking super good. Oh, I love that. Looks very nice. Maybe what we can do is we're trying to catch you walking down the stairs, but you know, looking backwards. Yeah, I think we can leave it there. Okay, now turn back. Oh yeah, that looks super cool. And now, the one shot we didn't do all the time. I want like a real proper spinning shot. But don't stay too close to the edge. Please, we don't want to have some injuries today. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's wait for the result. Oh, that's looking sweet, but I have one more idea. I'll take this and put it in the foreground. That might come pretty cool. All right, let's see what we can do with this in the foreground. This might be one of the best pictures then. Okay, you're ready for the twist again? 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's wait for the result. Yeah, it really makes a big difference when you have the flowers in the foreground, because it gives you much more depth in the picture. I can definitely recommend this technique. If you're in a place with similar flowers or anything, just grab a branch of it and the photos become instantly better. Let's do it one more time. Maybe this time without a spin, just stationary, because I'm a big fan of this. Let's wait a sec. Okay, now give me maybe a little bit more that side. Perfect. Let me get a full body portrait. Okay, cool. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked this episode. Tell me what you think about the 35 1.4 and maybe a little bit about the 55 1.8. We'll see us in the next episode. Until then, goodbye.